we go, guys. We're gonna load the Mercury Cougar into the garage. Yeah, go.
See if you can hold it.
Go.
Oh, you got it there?
Yeah, go.
Okay, leave it right there, leave it right there, leave it right there. Leave it right there, but you gotta hold the car.
Go.
I'll take the chain off.
Yeah, go. Car ain't rolling.
Huh?
Car's not rolling. There's a lip over here.
Yeah, that's fine, but when we push it, you gotta put a block.
Yeah, I know. I'll hold
You
it.
get a block?
I'll hold it.
You think you hold it?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll do it.
Look at the plate thing.
I know.
Take that one out. Got it?
Yeah, we'll do this one in your life. Come on.
All right. Ready, set, go.
Good. Perfecto. Here you go, guys. 72 Mercury Cougar in the garage. Stay tuned when you get this bad boy running. In the city for 20 years. Original California car, came to New York in 2000. 351 Cleveland car. So follow me on Instagram. Follow me on YouTube, Jerry Middleman Battalion, finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York, guys. See you soon. Here's Alex from J&C Tire out in Shirley.
Yeah.
Car, guys. Pretty cool. Grab a blue car. Been off the road since 2004. Alright, guys, like and share my video, subscribe to my channel. Jerry Middleman Battalion, finding classic cars, like I said, all over Long Island, New York. Let's see what project this is going to be. Hopefully, we get it running. See you soon.